Good evening, colleagues. I want to talk to us as members of Tutor this evening. Members all the way from ECCE through primary, secondary, tertiary, school supervisors, principals, all the officers of student support services and other agencies within the Ministry of Education. Tutor, first of all, I want to say, will continue to represent your interests. Tutor will continue to advocate for protection of our teachers and our educators and our education professionals at all levels. We will ensure that nothing that is implemented or put forth at this point in time is contrary to good industrial relations practice. We will ensure that the rights of teachers, parents, students, and educators are protected and adhered to. As we stand on the brink of the reopening of what should have been term 3, mindful of the fact that we may not see that playing out now, I want to say to all of our educators, continue with your high levels of commitment, with your caring and kind approaches to our students. There are many of us who have been reaching out to students, reaching out to parents over the last few weeks, contrary to what is put in the public domain and to the negative public opinion that is against us. Rest assured, teachers, that too will pass. At the end of the day, the persons who really matter, our parents and our students, will know that we made the effort. Due to tutors' advocacy, we see that as of the 16th of April 2020, the Ministry of Education put out an invitation for teachers to access online training programs to help them navigate the virtual learning environment. And though that should have come earlier, we commend that effort and we continue to call for proper policies and systems that will only lend credible support to the initiatives being taken at this time. Tutor of its own will seek to implement practices, will seek to implement programs that will allow our ICT teachers to reach out to our members and interact and help to support them as well. Additionally, we will be within the next few days developing our work from home policy as well as the guidelines to ensure that the terms and the conditions of teachers, of educators are adhered to during this period. Those documents, those proposals, we will put to the Ministry of Education and to the Chief Personnel Officer for discussion. We want to assure all teachers that we understand the stress and the anxiety we are going through. Many of us have struggled with these stay-at-home measures. Many of us have struggled with trying to support the parents of our students who have reached out to us. So in that regard, we will be engaging EAP providers to increase the access to our teachers and to allow our educators to be able to have the opportunity to get that moral and emotional support that some of us may need during this time. During the next few days as well, Tutor will be embarking upon a data collection process to get information on the teachers who have access, on the teachers who require devices, on the teachers who require proper connectivity. At the end of the day, the Ministry of Education will do what they have to do, and we as tutor will do what we have to do in the interest of our members and in the interest of the education system. As an education union, we are placed in a unique position where not only are we called upon to safeguard the rights and the interests of teachers, of educators, our members, but whatever we do, we must ensure that the welfare and the well-being of our students would not be negatively impacted. Those teachers who are able to and willing to participate in the ministry's online platform, please do so with common sense. Those who will be reaching out to students by other means, you're urged to do the same. And for those of us who for some reason are not able to engage at this point in time, don't feel guilty. Your circumstances, whatever they may be, will be understood and your union will be there to protect you. Colleagues, as we go forward, whatever level you are, wherever you are, as a member of Tutor, feel free, reach out to the president, tutorpresident1 at gmail.com or 762-7136. No issue is too burdensome or too trivial. At this point in time, colleagues, we need to hear what our members are experiencing. We need to hear how you feel. There is a human element to this. And for far too long, we as educators have been pushing ourselves in the interest of our students and in the interest of their success. Now is the time for us to join hands with all stakeholders, Ministry of Education, NPTA, principals, and all other stakeholders, business community, et al., to ensure that our education system comes out of this crisis on a better footing. I look forward to hearing from you, colleagues, and I want to assure you again that you have the full support of your union. God bless you and have a good evening.